This is C.5 Population Growth by Garrett. There are two main types of population growth: exponential growth and logistic growth. Exponential growth occurs in an ideal, unlimited environment. There is no competition to place limits on the geometric rate of growth. Population growth will start off relatively slow due to the lack of reproducing individuals who might be widely spaced out, such as these two little bunnies. As the population increases, the rate of growth also goes up, which results in a J-curve, slow at the start and speeds up over time. This maximal growth rate for a given population is known as its biotic potential. Biotic potential is the maximum rate at which a population could increase under ideal circumstances. Different species have different biotic potentials. Exponential growth usually happens in small populations or in places that are newly colonized by species, such as invasive species. An example of exponential growth is us. The human population is increasing exponentially and has been for a while. Some say we've already passed our carrying capacity, while others say it hasn't been reached yet. But for now, the human population is experiencing exponential growth. This is due to extensive amounts of resources and how our birth rate is much greater than our death rate. Next is logistic growth. Population growth slows as a population reaches the carrying capacity of the environment. What is carrying capacity? The carrying capacity is the maximum number of a species that can be sustainably supported by the environment. Carrying capacity is represented by the letter K. As the population starts to reach the carrying capacity, environmental resistance occurs due to limiting factors, which in turn slows the rate of growth. This creates an S-shaped curve. Population numbers can go over the carrying capacity, but once the number of births equals the number of deaths, the population is at its carrying capacity for that habitat. Here's an example. Look at this image. How many penguins are the right number for this beach? Well, it all depends on how many can survive and have healthy offspring. It could be 1 million, or it could be a few dozen. A population will tend to grow as big as it can for the resources it needs. Once it is too large, some of its members will die off. This keeps the population size at the right amount, and that's all. Again, this was C.5 Population Growth with Garrett. Thanks for watching.